RTX 4070 Ti best PC build guide in 2023. So hello viewers, in this video I'll show you a PC build guide which will give you maximum performance in gaming for under $1,500. Let's get started. So first, for the processor, our pick is Intel Core i5-13500. It costs $247. It comes with insane 14 cores and 20 threads. So productivity on this processor will be awesome, and also it comes with maximum 4.8 GHz boost clock speed, so it will give you ultimate performance while gaming. Then to cool down the CPU, our pick is Deepcool GameX AZ400 CPU cooler. It costs only $25, and since this processor is not an unlocked processor, this basic cooler is more than enough. And for motherboard, our pick is MSI Mac B760 Tomahawk. This one costs $189. This is the latest 700 series motherboard, but if you want to cheap out, you can go with cheaper option. Then for the graphics card, our pick is PNO GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. It's a $800 card and it has 12 GB of VRM. With this graphics card, you will be able to play modern games at 4K resolution with high preset. So it's a high-end mid-range card. Then for the RAM, our pick is TeamCube T-Force 32GB. They cost around $69, and those 3600 MHz RAM will perform absolutely fine with this build. Then for the storage, our pick is Western Digital Black 1TB. It cost only $50, and it's a PCIe Zen 4 SSD, which basically means you will get up to 5000 Mbps read-write speed, which will make your PC fast like a rocket. Then for power supply, our pick is Corsair RM850E. This one costs $129. It's a fully modular power supply, comes with 10-year plus warranty, which is an excellent deal. And finally, for the casing, our pick is Corsair 4000D Airflow. It costs only $94, and for this price, it's an excellent looking minimalistic yet modern case. Thanks for watching.